Yeah man, greetings everyone, it's Stewie coming to you from my beautiful island home of Jamaica, Montego Bay, Sangster International Airport. Today we are coming to you from the western end of the runway, or runway 07. Watch the climb rate of this Delta aircraft.
Delta 1-927, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 26 knots.
Fun runway 07 for Delta 1927.
Also in this video we're going to listen in on the ground frequency. This I'm sure will surprise many of you, as it surprised me to see how much goes on while an aircraft is sitting at the gates. From pilots requesting and receiving and verifying their flight plans, permission to push back an aircraft, or it could be permission to start an engine or to use a taxiway.
Delta 1750, cleared to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 25 knots.
Wait 7, Delta 1750.
Just watch the aircraft point the nose up, drop some airspeed, and then returns to a normal climb. Somebody was a fighter pilot.
47, contact radar 120.8.
Hey, good day, Delta 1927.
This one promises to be entertaining or even educational. Do remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button while you watch.
Delta Tango, line up and wait, runway 07, Eastern Delta.
307, Delta Tango. 307, Delta Tango.
750, 48, vacate taxiway, Bravo, contact runway 21.7, clear.
Bravo, ground point 7, Delta 1750.
65, set of traffic now, 6 miles northwest of station, north and clear. Cleared to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 27 knots.
The traffic inside, clear to land, runway 07, Virgin, roll 65, thank you. Your tower, good afternoon, Southwest 1115, on the RMP runway 7.
Zone 5, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07. Virgin 165, arrived 56, vacate taxiway, Bravo, contact ground 121.71, clear.
Seaway Bravo, ground 1217, Virgin 165.
Approach to 1115, clear to land, runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 23 knots.
Clear to land, runway 7, Southwest 1115.
Arrived 58, vacate taxiway, Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Exit Bravo, ground Southwest 1115. Delta 1955, runway 07.
Delta 155, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07.
Approach Delta 1955.
1955, clear to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 27 knots.
07, Delta 1955.
1955 on time 04, vacate via Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Delta 1955 and we'll switch 121.7. Rebus Bravo will take this. Tower Southwest 292, RNP 7.
292, Sancho Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Southwest 292. Tower Southwest 27 tree, holding short, runway 07, I'm Alpha, and we're ready when you can accommodate.
That's 273, Sancho Tower, line up and wait 07.
And up and wait 07, Southwest 273.
Number 110, Victor Echo Tower. That's 273, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 25 knots, traffic on 6 mile final.
Clear for immediate takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 273.
Southwest 292, wind 090 degrees, 25 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 7, Southwest 292.
That's 273, airborne, 16, contact radar 120.8, good day.
Abrams 273, good day.
On time 18, vacate via Bravo, contact ground 121.7, wind clear.
Bravo here, over the ground, wind clear, Southwest 292.
5 departure, Pepsi transition, squawk 6763, radar frequency 120.8, runway 07.
To Denver, a Tubi, then flight plan route. Ilutu 5 departure, Pepsi transition, initials 5000, squawk 6763, departure frequency 120.8, runway 07.
1683, read back correct, call next, we'll push on side.
Alright, thank you.
American 379, ready to copy to Chicago O'Hare information, Delta.
379, thanks again, good afternoon. I'll be advised you don't have your flight plan. Have company refile a new flight plan. At 485, taxi via taxiway Alpha, hold short, runway 07.
Short 07, Transit 45. American 2620, just want to reconfirm that you still don't have our flight plan. We're just still trying to reach out to the company again.
American 2620 negative. I'll check my system again. I'll give you a call if I got it, but right now I don't.
620, appreciate you. For 292, you still want us to hold here, shut it back?
2, continue taxi Alpha, gate 3, you're giving way to company, push back on Alpha.
Gate 3 via Alpha, and we'll give way to company, Southwest 290. 907, taxi with Delta.
Southwest 907, taxi Alpha, hold short runway 07.
07, Southwest 907.
485, contact tower 118.75.
11875, air transat 485.
07, tower 118.75.
75, Southwest 907, so long. Air transat 485, short 07 on Alpha, ready to take wind.
At 485, thanks to tower, line up and wait 07.
Runway 07, air transat 485.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 20 knots.
Clear to come 07, air transat 485. Southwest 907, hold short of 7, ready.
Southwest 907, thanks to tower, roger. Expect about a minute and a half delay for spacing. Line up runway 07.
Wait, runway 7, Southwest 907.
485, airborne 28, contact radar 120.8, good day. Southwest 907, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 24 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 907.
Zero 07, airborne 29er, contact radar 120.8, good day.
120.8, Southwest 907, good day.
9er, radio check, how do you read?
Blue 2779, loud clear, and we'll report stunning.
Roger, jet blue 2779, clear to land runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 23 knots.
Land runway 07, JetBlue 2779.
1042, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07, number 2 following Airbus 220 on 6 mile final.
Southwest 1042, continue. on the RNP 187.
Spirit 832, Santa Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Continue to bring data.
2779er on time 38. Vacate via Bravo, contact ground 121.7 wind clear.
Yeah, Bravo, ground 117, wind clear, JetBlue 277.
Southwest 1042, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 24 knots.
Runway 7, Southwest 1042.
Zero 42 on time 40, vacate via high speed Bravo, contact ground 121.7 wind clear.
Vacate Bravo, over ground, Southwest 1042.
Winds 833, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 21 knots.
997, bring data 3. Tower Delta 1890, RNP runway 7.
So 1890, Central Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Continue Delta 1890.
Winds 833 on time 43, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7 wind clear.
Bravo Point South, bring data 3.
Degrees 26 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 07 Delta 1890.
611, any updates?
2611, be advised. We've been advised that we haven't been receiving flight plans due to an issue in Atlanta, so we haven't been receiving any flight plans for outbound aircraft. Issue in Atlanta that has affected the system which we use to receive the flight plans, so we are unable to receive any flight plans.
Can we fax it to you?
American 2611 standby. American 2611 standby.
Chance and American 2622 come up.
Received any American flight plans, so it's the same issue affecting everybody. Liner, confirm that information about the flight plans and not being able to receive any of them.
We've been listening, American 379.
Hold short flash right Southwest 1042.
True, continue taxi Alpha Echo Foxtrot gate 15.
Alpha Echo Fox to the gate, 833. 1890 on Alpha for gate 14.
advised gate 14 current occupied. Hold short, echo, taxiway, echo.
Taxiway Echo Delta 1890.
American 2611, no luck. Flight plans, even when entered manually, aren't entering the system, so they're checking on it.
American 2611.
United 1683, ready taxi, Delta.
1683, taxi, via taxi, Alpha, hold short, runway 07, contact tower, 18.75.
Alpha, hold short, runway 7, and go into tower, United 1683. Hello Tower, United 1683, holding short, runway 7, ready departure.
Patrice, thanks to tower, roger. Behind the landing, American A321 on short final, line up and wait behind.
Behind them, we'll line up and wait, runway 7, United 1683.
An 875 on time 51, vacate via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7 when clear.
Alpha to ground from American 875.
The 1683, clear for takeoff runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 26 knots.
Off, runway 7, United 1683.
Airborne 53, contact radar 120.8, good day.
1683, goodbye.